Hi, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and Instagram. We have the DLink Outdoor Wi-Fi Smart Plug. It works with your Google Assistant, your Amazon Assistant, and IFTTT. You can turn on and off control from anywhere with this outdoor unit. It has IP54 dust and water resistance. That water resistance only happens when you have these doors closed. Obviously, if the door is open and you have something connected, you'll be able to connect power to it. It also has a USB port right here, and then the two power ports that you can control with the DLink software. So it is a big unit for outside. Here is the power plug. It's UL listed right here. And then you have individual button controls to turn them on directly on the unit itself. So this would be for your smart home technology. Here's some more technical details. You can pause the video at any time to take a look at those. And you can control everything with the My DLink app. And the app is good for the iPhone, iOS, and Android devices. Control outdoor gear with your DLink Wi-Fi smart plug that works with multiple smart assistants and IFTTT. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.